So, good morning. It's March 15th. Here's our good Alberta weather. It's minus 28 right now at 8:32 in the morning. And it feels like minus 34. It's been snowing the last 2 days. So, I'm not sure where Spring is, but if you happen to see Spring, could you send her this way? Because I think she got lost. I'm not sure where Mother Nature is, but she's not here. So if anybody finds Mother Nature and Spring, could you please send her this way? I won't be bringing the bees out on the 15th, and let's go ahead here. Looks like around the 22nd or 23rd the bees will come out. But this morning, she's just brutal cold. So, thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice. It's cold. Take care.